YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Waveman Mike. All right, in this video, I'm gonna do something a little different, so stick around. All right, I'm doing something I'm pretty sure nobody has ever done or even thought about. I'm about to do a curly hair routine on my waves. Right, you never would have thought of that. So I'm about to do it. So I've watched like 10 curly hair routine videos already. So I'm an expert at this. Isn't it funny how people think that's how it works nowadays? You watch YouTube videos and now you're an expert. Anyway, I'm about to film this video. Hopefully we have some fun. Hopefully you have some fun watching this. And so you can help me have fun, go ahead and press that like button and subscribe too. All right, before I take this do-rag off, I want to mention something. I haven't brushed my hair in like 3 days, so I don't know how my wave's about to look. So just bear with me, okay? Okay. Yikes. I mean, it's not that bad.
Oh my God, stop your fucking lying.
But it's not that good either. All right, so let's get started. Not even gonna bother fixing my waves right now because I'm about to mess them up anyway. I really didn't think about this. Like I just got out the shower. So I probably should have recorded this video first so that way I could do this and then get in the shower to wash all this stuff out. But I don't know, I didn't think about that. Let's just get started. All right, first I'm gonna go ahead and just wet my hair. Oh, before I get started with this, I should probably mention the products I'm using for this method. All right, so first up, I'm gonna use my custom-made shampoo, Function & Michael. You can get your own custom-made shampoo from a company named Function of Beauty. I'll leave a link down below. Basically, you can customize this to do whatever you want it to do. For me, I wanted mine to do anti-frizz, shine, hydrate, curl definition, and volumize. You can also pick what colors you want and the sizes. I just got the 8 ounce, but there are other sizes. And then I got conditioner. Don't ask why I got pink. I really don't even know. I know I got black though, because I just wanted black. I guess I could say I got pink conditioner because I never had anything that was pink before, like for my hair, other than a do-rag. So why not? So this is the shampoo and conditioner I'm using. Then I'm gonna use Shea Moisture Curl Enhancer Smoothie. And then the Curl and Style Milk, also by Shea Moisture. All right, so first I'm gonna go ahead and just get my hair wet. All right, so now my hair is wet. Usually the curly hair people always do this stuff in the shower, but I'm not doing that. All right, so once you get your hair all wet, what you wanna do is go ahead and put the shampoo in your hands. Got the shampoo and then just rub it in like that. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it a little bit more. All right, so now what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to massage the shampoo into the roots of your hair. My hair is pretty short, so it's gonna get to the roots regardless, but I'm just gonna, you know, scramble my hair. Mind you, I got waves, so scramble, waves. Oh well.
No, 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 no.
I should have took this towel off. It's in the way. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to go ahead and do this. You're supposed to rinse it out and then do this again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse all this out, put some more shampoo in there, and then it's gonna foam up like with the suds and everything. You know how it looks. And that's basically just letting you know that your hair is clean. I'm gonna rinse it out right now. Really should have worked out before this video so my muscles could have been popping. But I haven't worked out in like a month. So like all my muscles are like gone down. Muscles. Let me just rinse this out. All right, I rinsed it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some more in my hands and then put it in my hair. This time I'm gonna take the towel off. This time I'm gonna take This time I will take the towel off. I probably talk too fast. More shampoo, just, you know, one pump. My hair's not that long. That's what it looked like. Rub it in. And then go ahead and rub it in here. I know I keep looking over there. It's because there's a mirror over here, so, you know. See how it suds up this time? And my hair is a lot cleaner. Oh, I can just feel just cleanliness. I mean, my hair didn't feel dirty to begin with, but I don't know. By the way, this shampoo smells really good. Again, this is from Function of Beauty. You get to pick the smell you want too. I'm gonna make a full review on this shampoo, so stay tuned on my channel for this. And tell me if you want me to do more curly hair routine videos on my channel when my hair gets a little bit longer. Because I'm wolfing my waves, so my hair is gonna be a lot longer and it's gonna be able to be a lot curlier when it's longer, so. All right, I'm still doing the curly hair routine, but you know, I got waves, so while I got this in here, I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair down before I rinse out the water. So this is what my waves look like when they get wet with shampoo. They usually look better than this when I wash them, but like I said at the beginning of this video, I haven't brushed my hair in a few days, good little minute, so you're not gonna get the full effect. You're not gonna completely just drown right now. By the way, I got my camera up real high, if you wondering, that's why the camera angle is like this. I got it on my sink right now, and then on top of that, I got it on the high setting, so that's why it's looking down like this. And I know it's usually like right there in my face angle, so. All right, I'm not gonna do a full brush session or nothing like that, so I'm gonna just go ahead and rinse all this shampoo out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the I'm gonna go ahead and put the conditioner in. All right, rinse the shampoo out, and now I'm about to put the conditioner in. Here's the conditioner. Of course, people are playing their music loud in the hallway. I'm in college, by the way. They literally just turned it off when I said that. Wow. All right, put this in my hair. All right, and all the curly hair routines, they always go ahead and comb their hair when they have the conditioner in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Since I always usually use the wide side, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the skinny side right now. So here we go. It's super easy to comb through right now. Super detangled. My hair usually isn't this easy to comb through. Then again, actually it is. Like my comb never gets stuck in my hair. It usually sometimes goes kind of slow, but that's when my hair is a little bit longer. I just cut my hair last week, so that's why it's pretty easy. But my hair isn't that short for waves. Look. It is kind of short, but it's like what, a half inch, a quarter inch? All right, so they say when you put this in, you're supposed to let it sit for 5 minutes. So that's exactly what I'm about to do. But let it sit for 5 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse it out with freezing cold water, and then I'm gonna do the rest of the routine. By the way, let me just show you this. This is what my waves usually look like when I put shampoo in them. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. I'm about to rinse this out. Cold water. That's what I'm about to use. Really cold water. All right, I just rinsed it out. All right, so the curly hair people usually put their curling products in when their hair's still wet. Everybody with waves knows, like, that's a huge no-no, at least for waves. Because, you know, there's something called over curling with waves. That usually happens when your hair is too wet. I mean, when your hair is wet in general. And then to put a curling product in on top of that, I'm gonna do it anyway for y'all. This thing's almost empty now, but I'm gonna just go ahead and get some right here. Dang, that's too much. Like that much. Rub it in my hands. Like that much. Hold up, that's a lot. I'm still gonna use it all. So let's go ahead. First, I'm gonna just do like this so I can spread it easier. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it in. That seems like enough. What they usually do is they usually do like this little back and forth thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Then they usually go ahead and put a second product in, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I still haven't got this to spread all the way in, but I'm gonna just go ahead and put it in. Let me shake it first. I haven't used this in a while. All right, so that's enough. Like that much. Rub it in. and then do that same thing.
Yes, I already know my hair is not really that long. I'm probably gonna do this again when my hair gets longer so the curls can, you know, look better.
By the way, my curl type or hair structure, whatever you call it, it's like 4B, probably like 4B. All right, so I'm gonna get the rest of this off my forehead, and I'm gonna brush this in. I'm gonna put my do-rag on, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Well, I'm gonna show you what it looks like, of course, like after it dries off and everything. So I'm probably gonna go get something to eat, then I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna show you. Go follow me on Instagram. That's a must. My Instagram name is Waveman Mike. Super easy. It's the same as my YouTube name. The only difference is there's no spaces. Then go follow me on Twitter. My Twitter name is Waveman_Mike. Somebody took just regular Waveman Mike. Like, why do they need that name? Like, just give it to me. Pause. And since I made my Snapchat so long ago, the name is different. My Snapchat name, don't laugh, don't roast me. My Snapchat name is DJ Swagman1. I was like 12, no, not 12. I was like, what? 14 when I made that, so don't roast my name. But yeah, go follow me on all those. And if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I don't know why you wouldn't be. Like, why wouldn't you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel? Especially if you watch this far in the video, like, you obviously like the content. You like this video. Matter of fact, go like the video. Seriously, go like it. My waves are probably gonna look horrendous after this. They already look horrendous, but what if I would have started the video with English accent? You probably wouldn't even know the difference. Most of you probably aren't subscribed to my YouTube channel, so you probably think this was real or something. What's up, YouTube? It's Waveman Mike. Accent's definitely real. I'm English, from London. They call me Wave Weezy over here. But yeah, anyway, I'm just brushing this in. Hopefully this video will be up and edited by tomorrow. I don't know, it depends on how long the video is altogether. If not, then I'll probably upload it next week. For you, it doesn't matter because you're watching it the same day that you started watching it. But you know, well, no, you don't know. But yeah, this is what my waves look like before I'm putting the do-rag on. Pretty bad, honestly. Let me get this off my forehead. By the way, at the same time of recording this video, I'm also recording another video. I'm recording a vlog right now. So if that video is up before I upload if that video is up before I upload this video, go ahead and watch that video. I didn't do all that work for nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on. This is the do-rag I usually wear anytime I wash my hair, because I really don't care if I mess this one up. Which is actually quite surprising because I paid for this do-rag, and all my other do-rags I didn't pay for. So this seems like the one do-rag I should care if I mess up, but I really don't. The only real way to mess up a do-rag is just to rip it down the middle, or for these strings to shrink up. And these strings are already shrunk in comparison to my other do-rags. So there's that. So I really don't even care. I'm still gonna put another do-rag on top of this one that I usually wear normally outside, because I'm about to go eat. So, and once I get back from eating, probably by the time, before I even finish eating, my hair will probably be dry. So I'm just gonna show you what that looks like. Anyway, I'm about to go eat and finish recording this vlog. So yeah. All right, it's been like 40 minutes. I would wait till it's completely dry, but I got somewhere to go tonight, so I gotta just hurry this up. First, let me go ahead and roll a clip of what my waves usually look like before, like on any other regular day. All right, so now you saw that. Now let me show you how my waves look after doing this curly hair routine. Here goes nothing.
No, 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 no.
Okay, my hair is really soft. I guess it looks okay.
Really, nigga?
I need a line up though.
Need some milk.
My waves are okay. They're definitely not the worst they've ever been, but they're definitely not the best they've ever been. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, for real. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. Do both of us a favor. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And go hit that like button. If you haven't hit the like button by now, I swear I'm coming to your house and stealing the juice out your refrigerator. Right. Go like the video. And go comment. Tell me, do you want me to do more videos like this? You think I should do this video again when my hair gets a little bit longer? Doing the curly hair routine on my waves. When my hair is longer, it could turn out better, it could turn out worse. I really don't know. The only way to find out is when I do it. But I'll only do it if y'all want it. So tell me if y'all want it. But yeah, like I said, that's the end of this video. I'm Wave Man Mike. Enjoy your day.